In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Tag Manager container ID. This process is quite straightforward but crucial if you're managing multiple accounts or working on setting up various tags and triggers. Let's dive in and simplify the steps for you. First, head over to the official website at tagmanager.google.com. Here, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure that you are signing in with the account that has access to the particular Google Tag Manager account you're interested in. This is an important step because accessing the wrong account will only lead to confusion or errors later on. Once you're logged in, you will be presented with a dashboard that lists all your Google Tag Manager accounts. Take a moment to locate and select the specific account you wish to work with from this list. This will typically be the one associated with the website or application you're managing. After selecting the account, you'll then need to choose the container you want to focus on. The container is essentially the workspace where your tags, triggers, and variables reside, and ensuring you pick the correct one is crucial for accurate tracking and reporting. Now that you've selected your desired container, your attention should move to the top right corner of the container's workspace. Here you will find the long sought container ID. This is a unique identifier that starts with the letters GTM and it's positioned next to the submit and preview buttons. This ID is vital when you are trying to link your website or mobile app to Google Tag Manager. It's also an essential piece of information when you're collaborating with other team members or seeking third-party service integrations. In some scenarios, you might need your container ID for debugging purposes, or when setting up additional tools and services that require a direct connection to your Google Tag Manager setup. Always ensure that you copy the entire ID accurately to prevent any issues with your integrations. And there you have it, you've successfully located your Google Tag Manager container ID. Remember, this simple ID plays a significant role in the proper functioning of your tags and data collection, so handle it with care. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or expanding your digital strategy, knowing where and how to find your container ID will save you time and enhance your efficiency. Thank you for tuning in and following along. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials for helpful tips and guides in your digital marketing journey.